Good morning, people. I hope you are well. The bike is doing good. It has done about 11,800 kilometers approximately. So yeah, and doing pretty well. Yeah, needs some wash, but I just thought before I do that, enough is enough, and I need to change this. The tire is pretty much tossed. As you can see, there is absolutely very little grip. I mean, I can maybe push it for another 500,000 kilometers, but what's the point? So I'm sticking with the stock option, which is C8, same size, 120 90 17. I got this for 2,550 rupees INR, I guess. And these are some additional tools that I'll be using, and some tire fryers, and this is just to take the valve out. And other than that, the rest would be to just use the toolkit. I have other tools, but I just want to also show it as a DIY, just in case if you get stuck and need to fix a puncture. So it's best to use the tools at hand, which is the toolkit. So I'll be dividing this video in two parts. The first part would be how to remove the rear tire out of the rear swing arm, and then second part would include changing the tire. So let's just go about that. I've discussed the toolkit. Oh, okay. I've discussed the toolkit enough times. I don't think I need to explain anything further. But to take the tire out, Enfield has provided us with the right tools. So this is the 24mm socket. Goes in beautifully. I've said it before as well, I never tightened this enough. So this should, come off easily. Now let's just wind it all the way out. Yeah, that's nice. And out. This is gonna need some extra force. Now this is gonna require a hammer eventually. That can't be avoided. Yeah. Now jiggling the swing arm should maybe take care of this. That much has brought it out quite a bit far. Now let's try and pry it out with the help of a screwdriver. Yeah, that's coming out. That is coming out. And here we go. So the axle is out. Might have to tighten the chain at a later point, but at this point, let's just see. Okay, yeah, that's good enough. Now the wedges from underneath the tire come out. This is only slightly tricky. You would have to remove the chain from the rear sprocket. That is off after moving the tire a bit forward. That takes care of it. And then just put it out of the way. Here we go. Usually I just hang it on this nut and the tire is gonna roll simply back. That is the simple process of removing the tire. The sprocket is gonna come off quite nicely, and it is a good practice to check how much play there is. So there's these inner rubbers can be changed. Yeah, so there is not too much of play, but there is some play. Next visit to the service center, spare parts, I would be buying these. Would have to replace that at a later point. Should have checked this earlier. keeping it in a safe place. Now that's the tire out. Now I have two options. I can either take this to shop and get the tire replaced, or I can just do it at home. Won't take long. I have the pump and everything, foot pump, electric pump as well. But yeah, so the next part would be how to take the tire out of the rim.